Well, everybody, another autocross. So welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. So I'm out here. My son drove the car the first 6 sessions, smoked the power steering again. I'll throw some video up because I've got some really cool video of actually the suspension. I mounted the GoPro underneath the front and rear suspension, so you can actually see the suspension cycle. It should be pretty good, actually. But far as good autocross video, I only got one run in with no power steering. It was awful all over the place. Cannot control without power steering. So I got to talk to KRC, see if we can figure that out. But thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and you can see the hood's still in process, so we'll let you know. Thanks.
As you can see, this track is not exactly that smooth, and the suspension at this place sure gets a workout. I was actually kind of shocked to see how much those dampers move up and down, but it's pretty significant. The next video here, which we're going to kick over to right about now, is the front suspension getting worked. I kind of like it better because you can actually see the tire and how much that tie rod coming off the power steering rack is actually moving in and out. Makes me wonder what went wrong with the power steering, which I'll throw up towards the end of this video. You can hear the power steering making the noise coming from the power steering pump. I think it's definitely done. So we'll call KRC tomorrow and see what they can do. But it's kind of a cool view. I didn't have the camera quite aimed correct here. I'll have to work on that and you get a little swivel underneath the car and see if we can make some improvements. But just kind of a cool look watching those shocks up and down, the springs compressing. Definitely well worth it. So I'll maybe do this again.